What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the markets as usual. Uh, and I'll tell you that today was also I would say boring, but it's just everything that I wanted to happen happened like late after my timing. So yeah, it wasn't pretty nice, pretty relevant for me. So let's dive straight to it. And we're looking at EU right now. And as I said yesterday, we're looking if price took out this high, and it did. And I was looking for a sell today. And on EU, I was when I got on the chart on EU today, price was like right here. So scratch that part right here. Price was like right here, and I was looking for price to like um take the like make this new low right here, make this new low right here, break this, and then for me to potentially sell somewhere like this. But the it didn't make a new low, so got disrespected, and I waited for price to then to see what price did, and then at like 1 p.m. price took out this, and I was already out the charts. I don't trade after like 1, and yeah, all the sell I wanted to take went after like this. I was like my target would be if I took this sell right here, my target would be like right here. Yeah, my main target would be like right here. My overall right would be like right here. But yeah, price like I said, price took out my main point. Like same thing on the GU, but a little bit different. A little bit different. As you can see on EU, this will make the new that new break. This low right here is the point that made the new break, right? If you go like, because if you go on the H1 or even H4, you can see that it's the point that made the new low, so it's really relevant. When I say relevant, it's like, I mean, where the liquidity lies. So this point is really a relevant point too. This point right here. And what the price did, check out this point. All right, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Yeah, like I said, waited for price to take this one right here, and the reason why price went up more is look at this. You got a gap to fill, right? That one gap right here to fill. The reason these gaps are important is see how price like went so fast, like the trade didn't even take time to acknowledge it. uh you don't even see that candle right here. Maybe if you go on a different company than FXCM, you probably see it, but price moved so fast, probably a news. You don't even see the candle. So these gaps are important, and price went up, filled it, and maybe right now would be the best time to like look for a sell. And yeah, you see how, and probably the reason why price didn't take this side right here was because look at this right here. What price did right here was make new, then new break lower lows, break to the higher side, and then what price did was build liquidity downside to like people are now entering here, right? People are now entering here, breaking retail traders, entering here, even here. And what price did was went up to this side or even this right here. If you go on 5 minute, yeah, even on the higher point, higher like irrelevant point, because you see it's, it's like clear little build up, right? Build up, clear build up, and this low right here, this low right here failed to make a new high. And remove that. Actually, it did make a new high, but these guys are not relevant, really important because look at this. The body is not even taking this, so it's more like a relevant, equal high. So there is a lot of liquidity laying like in these places right here, and then price then takes this to go lower. Me personally, price was choppy for me on GU. I didn't take anything, and I would like suggest y'all to like mark, like I always say, mark your points, and if price is not taking these points, you don't have to trade. Like it's like discipline. It's like that you don't like trading that way keeps you away from like blowing your accounts. And on the US, the Nasdaq, nice thing. Like I said, beautiful trade here to take. And what the price did is take this take took out the positions. Not even don't even need to go here. Like that's where all the stop loss lies. Takes out this right here. Boom, this side right here. And then now you can look for it. So even saw price did this fake because structure. You already know this is a trap. This is a trap. So they take out. Boom, and you take the trade right here. Boom, boom, boom. Easy trade right here. I wasn't looking at Nasdaq today. That's my bad. I probably took this trade. But besides that, that's all I have to for today. Even on the GC, I usually look at. I looked at it today, but I didn't really like what price was doing, so I'm looking for a more clear trade to take. And yeah, besides that, I don't see any. Oh, might be a sell here. Might be a sell here, something like this. After we take out this side right here, if you're more on the aggressive side, you take it like this. Boom, 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 boom. This I even leave it like that, and we see tomorrow how it goes. I probably stop loss, or we don't care. We know our strategy. We just stay to it, right? But yeah, that might be a nice trade to take. Even here for target here, main target, and then boom, we leave it float down here. But besides that, that's what I have today. And let me know what y'all think. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.